Hello everyone, welcome back to Mishi Arts. Today I'm going to show you 3 very awesome yarn reviews. These are the reviews of the yarn which finally we are having in Pakistan, available in Karachi, and you can also get it delivered anywhere across the country. So let me tell you, I have 3 types of yarn today and the correspondent hooks that are going to be with them. I'm going to show you all of them. So let's get started with this big cake of yarn that is 100% cotton, and let me tell you, it is very thick, as you can see. It is also shiny, as you can see in the picture that it is shining. And finally now we have such thick yarn in cotton material, in cotton, form of cotton, and there are 12 different shades of this yarn available at Nafis collection. That is a shop which have all yarn and craft accessories which supplies, and they also provide their online service. And for this yarn you can use 5mm hook, or here it is, or you can also use 6. Let me tell you how it works and how it looks when we are working it with 5mm. It is very soft and smooth, and as you can see, that the final project with this yarn will be very awesome. So this is the result if you are using a 5mm hook. You can also use 6mm hook if you want, or you can use according to your project what you are doing. You can make many different things with this. You can make sweater, you can make hats, you can make caps, you can do anything you like. So this was it for the first yarn that I made a review for.